हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू स्टडी स्पार्क ट्यूटोरियल्स। आज हम देखने वाले हैं 7th स्टैंडर्ड का हिस्ट्री सब्जेक्ट का 10th लेसन द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ द मराठा पावर क्वेश्चन आंसर। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, राइट द मीनिंग। एक चौथाई आंसर, चौथाई इज अ राइट टू कलेक्ट 1/4 ऑफ द रेवेन्यू फ्रॉम द मुगल टेरिटरी। सेकेंड, Sardeshmukhi. Answer. Sardeshmukhi is the right to collect 1/10 of the revenue from the Mughal territory. Second, write the answer in word. First, Balaji was from this town in Konkan. Answer, Srivardhan. Second, he ruled Bundelkhand. Answer, Raja Chhatrasad. Third, Bajirao died at this place. Answer, Raverkhedi. Fourth, he defeated the Portuguese. Answer, Chimaji Appa. Third, write about them in your own words. First, Kanoji Angre. Answer, Kanoji Angre was the chief of the Maratha Navy. He was a supporter of Maharani Tarabai and attacked the territories of Shahu Maharaj. C. Shahu Maharaj sent Balaji to fight against Kanoji Angre. Balaji avoided the war and convinced Kanoji to come over to Shahu Maharaj's side. Second, the Battle of Palkhed. Answer, Nizamul Mulk was a Subedar of Deccan. He tried to establish his separate existence in Hyderabad. He was opposed to granting Chauthai Sardeshmukhi rights to the Deccan to the Marathas. He captured some part of the Pune Pargana. Bajirao decided to checkmate the Nizam. Bajirao's army defeated the Nizam army in the Battle of the Palkhed near Aurangabad. Therefore, Nizam accepted the Maratha right to collect the Chauthai Sardeshmukhi. Third, Balaji Vishwanath. A. Balaji Vishwanath, who hailed from Srivardhan in Konkan, was competent and experienced. He convinced many Sardars and Shahu Maharaj was the real heir of the Maratha Empire. Shahu Maharaj appointed Balaji Vishwanathan as Peshwa. Fourth, Bajirao I. After the death of Balaji Vishwanath, Shahu Maharaj appointed Balaji's son Bajirao I Peshwa in 1720 CE. He expanded the Maratha Empire during his 20-year term. Bajirao was a great general. With his valor, he established Maratha supremacy in the north. He won status for the Maratha Empire as the formidable power in all of India. In April 1740, Bajirao breathed his last at Raverkhedi on the banks of the Narmada. Fourth, give reasons. 1. Two separate Maratha states were formed. Answer, two separate Maratha states were formed because after release of Shahu Maharaj, Maharani Tarabai refused to accept his claim to the throne. After defeating Maharani Tarabai in the Battle of Khed, Shahu Maharaj captured Satara and crowned himself as a Chhatrapati. Satara became the capital of the Maratha kingdom. Tarabai proclaimed her minor son Shivaji II as the Chhatrapati at Panhala in 1710 CE. Second, Azam Shah released Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj from his custody. Answer, Azam Shah released Chhatrapati Shahu Maharaj from his custody because Azam Shah believed that if Shahu Maharaj were released, there would arise a conflict between him and Maharani Tarabai over the Gadi of the Maratha Chhatrapati. Azam Shah felt that this would sap the strength of the Marathas. Third, Delhi needed the help from the Marathas. Answer, A. The Mughal were under the threat of Iranian and Afghani invaders from the northwest. The local Pathan, local Rajput, Jat, and Rohilla rulers also posed the threat to the empire. Internal competition and tussle in the court had also weakened the Mughal power. Therefore, the Delhi court needed the help of the Marathas. Okay, student, that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. Please like, comment, and share. And for more such videos, please subscribe to the Study Spark tutorials. We will meet in our next video. Till that, keep learning.